Hello friend, welcome to the Smart Machine YouTube channel. This video detailing about by using AI for email writing, the 9 best tools. So let's start my video. Using AI for email writing, the 9 best tools. Much of the time, email can feel like a bit of a chore. Writing email and managing an inbox are both highly manual process, and once that aren't always the most engaging task. In fact, the most common things you probably thinks about with email is how to interact with it less. Over the year, there have been many tools that promise just that, and is a recent year with the advancement in AI. One that has become particularly prominent are AI email assistants. What is an AI email assistant? An AI email assistant is an AI tool that can help write, edit, suggest text, or manage email to reduce manual work. Some of the more common more used cases for an email AI email assistants are things like lengthening a short message, shortening a long message, and grammar and spelling check. How do I email assistant work? AI email assistant are powered by some things called generative AI. At a high level, generative AI is an algorithm that is ability to create a new content like text for an email and a number of other content types of depending on the specific tools are using. At the core of the most generative tools, AI tools, the word known is a larger and language models or LLMs. These models are what powers an AI and able to predict what text should come next in sentence. So thought it seems like AI is thinking it's really making a series of highly litigated guesses to create the content. What are the benefits of using an AI email assistant? As has been the promise with many tools, its primary benefits of an AI email assistant is efficiency. With it, user can create and iterate faster. Thus, time saving means they are able to get more work done. But it also means they are able to do some well less. This can help with things like burnout, and it can spark creativity and new ways. For example, say how email working professionals try to come up with a catchy subject line using an AI email assistant. You could ask for teen integrations for the one you came up with. Have message if you right and you feel like and tools is off. You could ask an email assistant to make the tool more friendly or professional. AI email assistants also offers ability to personalize content easier. For example, it could read past responses in email, read or make suggestions based on your conversations. Some events link with outside sources like social sites. You can create text based on someone's online activity. Features to look for in AI email assistants. There are wide variety of AI email assistant options of the market today. Some are specialized to specific use cases like sales or marketing, while others remaining more broad and applications the set. And there are few features we think should for a more matter your specific use cases is of you use just any tools in AI assistant confusing or clunky to use. Chances are people won't use to look for options that are intuitive or even possibly already integrated with the tools you currently use. Compatibility. AI email assistants are generally best accessible direct in your email silent. So make sure your whatever option you're considering are able to interface with your email client. Training option. Being able to train an AI on your own internal documentations can be really useful. It your answer a lot of product specific or answer business related question is also nice if you want a specific tone for your copy. Most important of all is understand how we going to use the tools and then make a selection based on the needs. If you do use these sets for success. Integrating an AI email assistant into your inbox and workflow. The most ideal way to interact with an AI email assistant and integrate and seamlessly is by having it available directly in your email client. Is much you can see in this extension, and you can access the features of your AI email assistants while drafting an email. For example, with the Help Scouts AI tools, you simply highlights your text and then give your options to make a variety of changes right here. This includes changing the tone, shortening or lengthening your message, or even translating it into another language. Other tools on the markets offer similar functionality for things like Gmail or Outlook. It's also sometimes the case that the AI tools is accessible from your browser. As a whole, is neither option is possible, that then you have to take a more manual approach to get the benefit of an AI email assistant. Help Scout, best AI email assistant for customer communication. Help Scout is a complete customer communication platform that offers an AI email assistant to help agents save time and delight customers. AI assistant Help Scout's AI email assistants have a number of power features like an ability to change the tone of message, translate the text, different language, check spelling to grammar, and shorten or length text. Along with writing and assistance capabilities, its AI summarize tools is also able to summarize email threads to give additional context to agents, saving a significant amount of time for everyone involved. There also an AI draft features that can auto-generate email responses to incoming requests based on information the AI gathered from your knowledge base and previous customers' conversations. When you sign up, you also get access to all of Help Out Scout other amazing features and tools like our knowledge-based builder live chat software and a powerful share inbox addition features like collision detections and self-replies further add to efficiency and productivity gains for your team. All of the tools are incredibly intuitive and easy to use. If you do ever have any question, Help Scouts has a robust library to help documentation as well as a world-class support teams ready to help Scouts anytime you need them. Price: free plan available. Paid plan start at $50 per month. Lavender. Best AI email for sales teams. Lavender is an AI email tools built impressively for sales teams. Its primary goal is the tier tools is the help increase open rates for prospecting emails with the get insights into what types of email work best and why they work. The tool also offers the features to coach reps on how to write better emails, and it includes personalization options by connecting your CRM directly, pulling in prospect data and making suggestions based on that data. It's a powerful tools, but many of the features are quite specific. So if you are not in a sales role, it might not be a best options out there. Price: free trial and plan available. Paid plan start at $29 per month. Sandbox. Best AI email assistant for email management. Most of the tools mentioned on this list are meant to help write better emails. If you are really after is automated email management, Sandbox is might to be the right solution. The tool automates email sorting to help you focus on the emails that matters most to avoid the time sucks of manually filtering and manage. Over time, the system learning which emails are high priority and which are the step just one step above spam, and it's filter them to different folder accordingly. There is a set of default folder, and you also have the ability to create your own custom folders to help you do your best work. Setup for the tool is really simple and integrated with most major emails clients. Price: free trial available. Plan start at $7 month. Smart Writer AI, best AI email assistant for personalized email. Smart Writer AI is an AI-based email tool that helps people create a variety of personalized messages. The tool does this by looking at the prospect social pages and then using information on their page or the craft more compelling message. For example, it could look at a post on prospect page and then write an email in response to that post. They offer a variety of type of message. You can create a number of potential into nonets no, nanods best for AI email assistants. Nonets offer a free email generator tools that useful of putting together emails quickly. The tools work similarly to ChatGPT but with the added emails layers. First, you tell the tool and purpose of your email marketing, email chatbot, feedback, request, etc. After that, able to add instructions about the email to provide direction. Then it's writes the copy for you. You can copy the text directly from the tools and then enter to into the email message. Is fairly based in your Zendesk AI email and assistance for enterprise size support team. Zendesk is AI tools build the Zendesk platforms advanced AI and $50 agent per month. Floorwide, best AI email assistants for small team. The best way to think about WordFlight as expanded tool your promotes is some basics about the messages you want writing. Then AI agents expand those inputs and create a fully fledged message. Basically, you put in the bullet points and it's written a paragraph. They also have an enterprise level product that basically a robust auto process that's able to train and give some guidance to affect things like tone. Floorwide could be useful for support teams that gets a lot of routine questions or have fewer staff members to help robust workflows. Max AI, best AI email assistant for Chrome users. Max AI is a Google Chrome extension that gives you access to ChatGPT anywhere to web. It's over a number of different capabilities on which is writing assistant. You simply highlight any text you're writing and then you get a drop down list of options. Can do expand, shorten or change or tune a message. You can also use and Jaspier, best email assistant for marketing teams. Jaspier email tools and grabs the marketing team since your desperate to ability and justly they. Moving forward, email may never makes you jump for joy, but with AI email assistant you can certainly make it more appealing. There are lots of options about out of the markets. So the most important thing is to know that you need are are, and then find the tools that align best. If you are interested in trying out Help Scout AI features, you can sign up for free trials here. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.